Do you know that you can get all these USA phone number for free of charge? Yes, guys, in today's video, I will show you how you can get a virtual number, a USA virtual number for free of charge without paying any dime. For you to do this, all you just have to do is for you to make sure you watch this video right from this beginning until the very end, and make sure that you didn't miss any part, because if you mix any part of this video, you are going to what mix it all. So guys, before I go further, if you are my existing subscriber, you are welcome, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel and my video, my name is Eric Tech. In this channel, I provide tips and tricks on how you can go about your daily work activities. For you to be receiving video like this, all you just have to do is for you to turn up the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon, so that anytime I upload a video just like this one, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you guys. Now back to our video. For you to access this number, all you just have to do is for you to go to your Google Play Store right away. As an Android user, you go to your Google Play Store right here. This is my own Google Play Store. When you click on your Google Play Store, you click on the search bar over here and you type in temp number. You click on it. As you can see guys, we have numerous temp number, but the one that we are going to make use of is this upper one right here. You click on it and you install, and when you install this temp number, you click on the open icon. This is where it will bring you right here guys. We have the public numbers and we have the private numbers. These public numbers simply means number that are not what yours, number that everyone can make use of it. So, and these numbers can be used to verify your WhatsApp, your Instagram, your TikTok account, your WhatsApp, your Facebook, so on and so forth. And for you to access this, for you to have this number to yourself, all you just have to do is for you to click it right away. And you can see over here it said watch ad to unlock. You have to watch ad before the number can be yours. Let's click on watch ad. So all you just have to do for you to use it for online verification is for you to click on this copy icon right away. You click on it, it has been copied already. So you paste it in your WhatsApp space or your TikTok, your Instagram, your Facebook, so on and so forth. Whatsoever thing that you want to use it for, you paste it there, and they are going to send you a verification code via this number through this space. You can see right away these are some of the number, these are the codes that was generated for them. So they are going to send yours to you for you to verify whatsoever thing I want to use it for. So guys, and mind you, this number is not for only you. You are not the only person that is making use of this number. Let's say this is private number, the second one is private number. This private number simply means number that you owns yourself. These are the numbers that is meant for you. This number is your own real number. You are not sharing it with any person, or anybody is not making use of this number. For you to access it is for you to click on the private right here. You click on OK, click on all countries. Okay, you can see it right here. Now we have the United Kingdom, United States, Canada. For the sake of this tutorial, we are making use of United States, so we'll click on the United States. Now you can see these are the numbers that are available right here. Now you can see these ones are not free. You are going to pay a token for you to have access to this number, and this number is for private use, not as a public use that any other person can make use of the number while you can make use of it. So guys, it's just $4.49 monthly, and guys, this amount of money, to me, it depends whatsoever that you're going to use the number for, is just a token compared to what you are going to use it to achieve. It's in this video. Kindly click on the like button and share it to your friends and loved one. Thank you guys for watching this video right from this beginning until the very end. Until we meet again. Until then, bye bye for now. And if you have any question, feel free to drop it on my comment box. Thank you guys.